Now welcome back to the Proving Grounds. This video clip I have here I recorded and I totally forgot to have my mic running. So I'm going to run it and I'm going to try to give you a commentary as close as possible to this. Okay, the goal here was primarily in order to be able to create a shell script to run it in bash and also to run it as an executable. And I'm pretty much explaining how, please do excuse the screaming in the background because my kids are, one, being kids, and two, being reluctant on trying something as complicated and as excruciatingly painful as shell scripting. But at least my oldest is persevering. So we cleared out and then we went into the script notes. And then we passed that. You saw the older stuff, and then we're moving on to the topics we're going to cover here. We're basically going to create a Hello World example. And the original TestScript.sh that we used, which is a garbage file at the moment, we're going to create access to that. So we're going to first make a new terminal window, and we're going to go to the Documents section. We'll do an ls here so that way you can see where we're at right now. Give it a moment. And there it is. We're not using my script. We're already in script notes. So we're going to go to Documents. Yes, we're going to do a change directory. It's basic. You understand it. I'm sorry to bore you. But now that we're here, see the file, and now we're going to get into it in Vim. You could use Nano or any other text editor that you want. But this is what comes with the system, bare bones. So this is what I'm going to work with. Once we get into it, you see there's the garbage. Now we're going to just click on the letter I to insert. You'll see the notification at the bottom that you're able to insert in just a moment. There it is. And now we're going to start removing. And now, from that point on, we are going to start typing a few things in. First thing we're going to put in is the comment, and then we're going to do a bin bash. Excludes the slow typing. It's what my fingers do. But it's coming up. Now, if you look at any of the other textbooks, there's going to be a bunch of commentary and stuff to type in. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to bore you with it. We'll move on to the essentials. We're going to just do an echo statement next. And instead of just writing hello world, we will experiment with this. And as you can see, I'm letting my gray matter work. And instead of saying hello, we're going to go with a welcome to the Almighty. No. To the alternate Earth. Wow. I'm being very original, very DC Comics of me. Yes, it took me a while to put that period there. And you have what? Hamburgers? Oh. You have arrived at, and then we're going to close that up. Next statement is not a statement, it's just a command. Date. What that's going to give us is the current date and time. And then give it a moment. We're going to exit. We're going to hit escape. Then we're going to do a colon WQ. If you remember from the last time, W is for write or to overwrite in this case. Q is to quit. Now that we're out here, probably just like gonna open it up again just so that way you can see that everything is in there and it's not the garbage file anymore. Right here we got our reminders. This is what we need to do in order to make it executable and to run it. And we're just gonna go into bash and run it in bash first so that way you can see what it's supposed to look like. Now it won't take a moment. See? Bash. And then we're gonna put our script file name there. Then we're going to hit enter. And these are the results. I get a boom. I must have been pretty long-winded. There it is. Welcome to the alternate Earth. You've arrived on Friday, the 29th. And there's the time, Eastern Standard Time, and the year. Now, if we want to make this executable, what we're going to do is I'm going to speed up a little bit here. I'm going to put a chmod plus X and then the file name. Yes, had to remember that SH and then hit enter. That's going to make it an executable file from that point on. Now, you can't just write the file name and expect it to work. So you're going to have to put in a dot slash and then the file name. Just like that. And then we're going to type it in. Yes, I'm fully aware I'm a slow typist. Moving on, we're going to hit enter. And the same thing as if we put bash and then the name, this will run it also. And there it is. As you can see, slightly different time, same results. Now, it's important that you know that you can put whatever you want into your shell script. Not a single command, not a single or multiple echo statements for a whole manifesto. Enjoy your projects. Have fun. Don't do anything illegal. God bless.